Well, to unleash your creativity, to take down your notes, to draw your doodles, to send those love letters, are you still using paper? Well, I am not proud of you, because right now I have a solution to all those who love the feel of pen and paper. The Portronics Rough Pad, and I'll show you how easy it is to use this. Well, you can just about scribble anything right there. It has this one button, delete button, you can click on it and there you go. All your scribbling is gone in an instant. This comes with a stylus that gets fixed on the bottom of this product, so that's how it looks. And this product can last up to 50,000 erasers.
And you can change the battery in order to keep using your rough pad.
This is your one-touch erase button, and just with one pen, you can go get creative. It's that easy, simple product to use. Now let's get down to the features of Portronics, the portable rough pad. Very lightweight. I actually don't feel like I'm holding anything in my hand.
Rough pad is 8.5 inches diagonal.
Always have a little bit of weight, but this is very lightweight.
You can now stick this on your refrigerator with notes on it, as it also has 4 magnets behind it.
It's just 4.5 mm thin. You can see it from the side. There you go. It's really thin. So you can just easily actually slide it in your school bag, probably college bag, traveling, outing, wherever you want to take this. So this is your Portronics Rough Pad e-writer.
Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about the Fast Track Reflex 2.0 activity tracker. Now this video is for those of you who've either already bought this tracker or are planning on buying one, and we're going to show you exactly how to set it up with your Android or iOS smartphone. Of course, the first thing you're going to have to do is download the Fast Track Reflex app from either the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you've done that, just press this little button at the base and the band will go into pairing mode. Once it's in pairing mode, it'll show you a code. Open your Reflex app and just enter this code in there in order to authorize the Bluetooth pairing. Once the pairing is complete, the app is going to sync with the activity tracker and download any of the data that may already be on here. If you've already walked around, maybe exercised, etc., and that data is stored on here, it'll move over to the app. And it's literally just that simple. You download the app, you log in, you enter the PIN, and that's it. You are good to go. The activity tracker is fairly easy to set up, and what's really cool is that you can actually monitor a number of metrics using this activity tracker. You've got, of course, the ability to monitor how many steps you've walked. Then you can also measure the number of calories you've burned for a given amount of workout. In addition to that, you also have the distance meter, which tells you how much distance you've covered in the day. There is also a stopwatch for those of you who are trying to time your runs or your jogs, whatever. If you're trying to improve your timings or you're trying to train for a marathon, etc., the stopwatch will come in handy. Then there are a few other things as well, but the most notable one is the ability to control the camera on your Android smartphone. So the Fast Track Reflex 2.0 can actually also act as a remote shutter button for your smartphone's camera. Put this into shooting mode, and if you've got an Android smartphone, your camera will basically respond to any of the touches you do on the smartwatch. So that's a quick look at how to set up the Reflex 2.0 fitness tracker from Fast Track and all of the features that it has to offer. So hopefully you found this video informative and helpful for you, and hopefully you'll be able to set up your watch with much greater ease now. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next one.